This video is part one of a few videos that will focus on distributive property. Distributive property states that if you have terms that are real numbers and it's set up as A times the quantity of B plus C, then you can remove those parentheses by multiplying the factor A to each term within the parentheses. So in this case, we have A times B plus A times C. You can also do it when you are subtracting the terms within the parentheses. Again, it's going to be A times B minus A times C. And we do this so that we can get rid of these parentheses, which is going to come in handy when we're trying to solve for an unknown variable. So in this first video, let's go through some basic problems. Okay, so the first example, we have 2 times the quantity of x plus 5. What we're going to be doing is multiplying this to the x, and also we're going to multiply to this positive 5. That's going to give us 2x, and then 2 times a positive 5 is a positive 10, because that was 2 times 5. Okay, let's do another. Here we have 3 times the quantity of x plus 8. Again, you want to think of this as one term and this as another term. So we have 3 times x and 3 times positive 8. That's going to give us 3x plus 24, because 3 and 8 are both positive numbers. Now let's look at one in where instead of addition we have subtraction. So here we have 4 times the quantity of x minus 3. Notice this is a positive x and this is a negative 3. So it's going to be 4 times x, which is 4x, and 4 times negative 3. Positive times a negative is a negative 12.